Hey all, this is Professor Steve from Grand Canyon University again, and in this video we are adding another virtual machine into VMware, and specifically this would be a Windows 10 virtual machine, which should be pretty similar to the Server 2012 machine that we've already done, but in this case it is adding a workstation. Again, this is more geared towards ITT 121 as there is a server workstation requirement. So we're going to hit create a new workstation, or rather virtual machine. Typical next. We still have the ISO from Server 2012, so we need to change that. So I'm going to browse out to location here. I have the Windows 10 ISO already downloaded. Windows 10 x64 detected, so we're good there. We're going to hit next. Here we've got a few options. I know that this is the educational version of Windows 10 because of what it downloads as on the hub, so I'm going to select that. And we'll do GCU instructor. This is for me. Give it a password. And I need to find my key. So bear with me just a moment. Alright, now go ahead and I've already put the key in, hit next. And again, we're going to do virtual machine name. So this is how it appears in the column over here on the left. So I'm going to just call this GCU instructor WKS TN workstation. And again, it changed the path. Want to make sure those are nice and unique every time. So hit next. This one, of course, we can still pull this down a little bit. We'll give it 40 gig. Again, it doesn't need to have the full thing since it's just a lab environment. Leave this as multiple files. Next. I'll customize hardware again. I'll make sure that I give this thing 2 CPU cores. Everything else the same. Make sure the memory was 2 gigabytes. It's still attached to the ISO, so we're good there. Close and hit finish, and it will create the machine inside of VMware Workstation here in just a moment. And now we're back. And the process is completed, and I now have 2 machines sitting there ready to go. So that's it for this video, and on our next video we will start the installation process of Server 2012 R2. So we will see you next time.